Hi guys, so here I'm going to look at parent and child companies within Cin7. So if I go here in my demo system into the CRM, then you'll see we've got a whole series of companies here in the system. In this case, I'm just going to look up customers in my search, and I'm going to use Bob the Builder as an example here. So what I will do just quickly is I will set this as Bob the Builder Group, just as the name of the company. And you'll notice that they've got a delivery address and a billing address that are the same, which is Fake Street. So in this case, Bob the Builder Group bills direct. So if Bob the Builder Group places an order, then they bill, it gets billed direct to them. What I'm going to do here is just save that contact. And then here I'm going to add an individual branch for Bob the Builder. So let's say there's Bob the Builder Group, which is maybe a franchise or something similar. And we also supply Bob the Builder Sydney, for example. So Bob the Builder Sydney branch. And let's do Sarah Smith. Obviously, you can put as much information here as you wish. Now, the important thing here is the bill to details. So you can still have a delivery address here. So we might just pop a Sydney address in just so we can see this work. And then don't put a billing address in, because what we want to do up here is bill this to a parent company. And you'll see as soon as we do that, the billing address and details disappear, because obviously it's going to be handled through the parent company. So here we just do a search, and it will find anyone else within the system. So we'll pick up Bob the Builder Group, and we can see we've got Sarah Smith here, but we've got Bob Smith as the bill to details, and 123 Fake Street as the billing address. So if we save this here, we've now got those two companies in the system. If we go and add a new sales order, we can place this order in Cin7 in the usual way. So if I search for Bob here and pick up the Sydney branch, then notice that the Sydney details fill through to the delivery address, but Bob the Builder Group and the Fake Street details are used for billing. This also means that when you print an invoice out and when you sync that to your accounting, it will be billed directly to this entity. There'll be no reference, there won't be a contact created for the Sydney branch because it's being billed here. So if I pop this in here and just add some products for the moment, and I will, actually we've not got them available in this warehouse, so I'll just change this around. So 10, and I will both dispatch and invoice that and approve this. We've now got an invoice in the system, so this order has been marked dispatched and invoiced to Bob the Builder Sydney branch. And if I go into the invoice print off, then you'll see the customer is Bob the Builder Group with the appropriate details, and the ship to is the branch as well. Hopefully that makes sense for how to handle parent company or franchise groups within Cin7. If you've got any questions, just let us know. Thanks.